Okay. So Presley, are you still here?
Yes,
Okay, where are you from? Where are you calling from?
I'm in the Boston area.
Hey, all right. Have you been on one of these calls before? You look familiar.
I have, yeah.
Okay. We've got a niche review. Okay, I help overthinking
Yes.
solopreneurs who have trouble getting stuff done without a boss telling them what to do and when to do it. I like it. Yeah, right. It's like, I just go in circles and then nothing gets done. And I like it. I think that's great. I mean, of course, there's more detail that can be added, but that initially, I mean, I get it. I sort of know if I'm that or not.
Hmm.
I think a lot of entrepreneurs would resonate. If, by the way, if you resonate with what Presley wrote there, maybe just give it a like or a heart or something so Presley can get some real-time market feedback. Is that you? Are you a overthinking solopreneur who has trouble getting stuff done without a boss telling you what to do? Okay, and then you also said, also wondering about a more psychographic centric one. I help overthinkers who want to get stuff done without a boss telling them what to do and when to do it. My approach works well for solopreneurs, freelancers, and remote workers. That's great. Let's see. I think they both work fine. I think
Okay,
that's
cool.
yeah, that's clear enough. Um, and then it's great. Well, yeah, what are the hubs, right? Where do you find these people?
Yeah,
Now my guess is you're gonna need to find the solopreneurs, not the overthinkers.
right.
That'd be my guess. And then what you do is you get in front of, solo. Well, I mean, the headline says something like this. That's the title of the workshop. And so people, but you get it hosted by somebody who's connected with entrepreneurs. You get in front of their people and you say, here's my deal. This is my take. Yeah. And if you overthink, you know, something else you might consider if you search on YouTube, search Tad Hargrave industry presentations. There's a little video, but
Okay.
it's this idea of you could do partnerships with other people who help entrepreneurs who um, just have a hard time getting their stuff together. But you could have somebody who does um, I mean, I don't know the exact modalities you do, but you could have like an ADHD coach. You could have somebody who does time management specifically.
Yeah.
You could have somebody who does nutrition for entrepreneurs because, like, hey, if you're foggy headed all the time, you're just not going to be able to get work done. You could have, people who do fitness because, like, hey, if you're not in shape, it's just real hard to have mental clarity. You could have, so you could say, and you could all partner on something where each of you has, it's like a little TED Talks or something, a little mini summit, but it could be each of you gets 10 or 20 minutes to talk. But
Okay.
it's like, hey, if you're an entrepreneur and you're really struggling with just getting stuff done with productivity, come to this thing. Maybe you have somebody else who specializes in apps. Like, hey, I want to go over some of the best apps I found for productivity as an entrepreneur that make a big difference. But you all promote it to your lists and everybody wins, everybody benefits. But the video gives a few more examples of what that could look like. And
Great.
yeah, but it's great.
Cool. Thanks.
All right.